buy crypto with Apple gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy crypto with your Apple gift card. So first of all, just open your Binance account in which you buy different cryptocurrencies quite easily. So once you are there, just log into your account, or if you don't have an account, just sign up and just make an account for yourself. And after that, in order to redeem Apple gift card, you just have to come all the way down to the bottom of this particular screen, and after that, under the product section, you will see the option called gift card. So you just have to click on it. And now in order to redeem your Apple gift card, all you have to do is just enter your redemption code here, and you will also have the option to add your gift card here. So you just have to enter your gift card number, or you can also check cards if you don't have a card. So just enter the card number and check the card, the amount of balance that the card has, and all these details. And here on this page, you also have the option to send a crypto gift card. So if you want to send a crypto gift card to someone, you can also do that. But since you are here to buy crypto, just enter your redemption code for the Apple gift card and add the amount in your Binance account. And once you are done, just come back to your home screen. And after that, for example, you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency, you just have to select the currency and see the price over here. For example, the Ethereum is for around $2,000 as of now, and the Bitcoin is around $42,000 or something. So just select the amount and check the balance in your gift card that you have just added, and just see how much cryptocurrency you would be able to buy from the gift card that you have just added. And this way you will be able to buy crypto with your Apple gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.